Okay, so I'm moving soon in about a month, and I'm trying to pack as much as I can now because I'm returning to work in a couple weeks from my mat leave, and I'm also going to be taking care of my son because he's not in daycare. I have some help from family too, but things are going to get really busy, and I'm trying to plan ahead so that I'm not crazy stressed. I'm also using this as an opportunity to purge a lot of stuff. So today, while my son is napping, I decided that I'm going to go through all of my hair and makeup stuff. I just purged not that long ago. I got rid of a lot of stuff, a lot of expired products, a lot of stuff I don't use. I don't know how much I'm going to be purging today, but I am going to pack away things that I know I won't be using in the next month, like foundations that are the wrong shade right now. And I mean, honestly, this is kind of my go-to hairdo right now, so I haven't really been doing my hair, so I'm gonna pack away as much stuff as I can. And I thought, you know, I like to watch decluttering videos and stuff like that, so I'm just gonna record it and watch the fun, you know. All right, let's do it. So I obviously have a lot more to pack and a lot of deep cleaning to do, but I'm pretty happy with the progress I made today. And let me know if you want to see more videos like this. Okay, bye.